In this video, I'll show you how you can completely uninstall the Creative Cloud application from your Windows computer. Now, the typical way you would uninstall an application is by coming over to the Start menu, searching for Programs, and then tapping on Add or Remove Programs, and then coming all the way down to Adobe Creative Cloud, selecting these three dots and hitting Uninstall. Unfortunately, by using this traditional method, sometimes it doesn't work. So in which case you'll need to do the following steps. Head over to an internet browser and you'll need to come over to the Adobe website on this page here. And I'll leave a link to this page in the video description. And we can scroll all the way down to this uninstall section and you need to download this to your Windows computer. And once you've downloaded the zip file, then simply double click on it. And then we can extract this file by selecting it and select Extract All. Then select the folder where you want it to be saved to. I'm just going to put it in my desktop. Then simply click on Extract. And then if we come over to our desktop, and as you can see, the file's saved to here. And we simply just need to double click on this file to uninstall Creative Cloud. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that should remove the application from your computer. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.